front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard. Now you need to click on Clipboard icon at the top of it. And to access some of its settings, use this gear at the top right corner. Now manage all of those options however you want to. Then to add something to your clipboard from those settings, click Add New Clip, type in wherever you want to and select Save. To delete it right away, swipe it to the right. To pin it or unpin it, use this little pin icon at the top right corner of it. If you want to do exactly the same but from your keyboard, after clicking on Clipboard, pin or unpin any sentence using the same pin, or delete it by swiping it to the right. To add something to your clipboard, you need to go back to standard keyboard by clicking at the top left corner and cut or copy wherever you want to. Then paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!